Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is JD and today we're going to be talking about this. This is the Sony PXW-Z200. Camcorders haven't been exactly the flavor of the month lately, with mirrorless cameras, getting bigger sensors, better autofocus, and more cinematic profiles. Many people assume that all-in-one pro cameras is a thing of the past. Smaller sensor, fixed lens, less wow on paper. But after spending some time with the Sony PXW-Z200, it became clear this camera isn't trying to compete with the mirrorless cameras. It's solving a different problem entirely. Let's open this. And in 2026, that problem is more relevant than ever. It's nice. The Sony PXW-Z200 is designed for environments with speed, reliability, and consistency matter more than lens swaps or shallow depth of field. Think of live events, conferences, house of worships like churches, schools and institutions, corporate live streams, news gathering, long-form documentary, or coverage work. These scenarios using interchangeable lens cameras can actually be overkill. They're slower to deploy, more fragile, and often require more crew attention. A true grab-and-go 4K camcorder like the Z200 lets you pull it out of the bag and start filming or streaming immediately. No setup anxiety, no overheating worries, no missing the moments. Just turn it on and shoot. There are two models that was released, the Z200 and the NX800. What are the differences? This one, the PXW-Z200, includes SDI and timecode ports. The HXR NX800 doesn't have it. If you're working in broadcast, multicam setups, or need proper sync across cameras, the Z200 is the more clearer choice. Let's talk about the sensor of this one. This one uses a 1-inch CMOS sensor, and yes, some people will roll their eyes, but the sensor choice enables one of the Z200's biggest strengths, a massive 20 times optical zoom. The lens of this one is 24 to 480 millimeter. Look how tiny this is. That zoom range is gold for events, lectures, worship services, and conferences where you need wide shots, tight close-ups, smooth framing, all without changing the lens or repositioning the camera. Very easy to use. The low light performance does take a small hit compared to larger sensors, of course, but Sony balances with a small surprising capable night vision mode, complete with green or black and white options. It's practical, usable, and honestly a nostalgic throwback for anyone who grew up using TV camcorders. This one includes a built-in ND filter. On the opposite end of the spectrum, the ND filter of this one is excellent. There's also Auto ND, which works well when lighting conditions change rapidly. Like any other auto feature, it's not perfect, but it's incredibly useful in fast environments where manual adjustments would slow you down. This is exactly the kind of feature that reminds you why camcorders still exist. The PXW-Z200 is unapologetically physical. Buttons, switches, dials are almost all of them are customizable. This makes it not only efficient for professionals but also excellent learning tool for those newer to cameras. You learn settings tactilely, not buried 3 menus deep, which is invaluable when shooting in dark conference halls, backstage wings, and unpredictable environments. Sony even gives you 3 different ways to zoom: the lens ring, which is here, the classic side zoom rocker, which is this one, and then the top handle menu button, which is this one. Each with adjustable zoom speeds, slow cinematic creeps, and everything in between. And the zoom motor, smooth, quiet, and professional. Perfect for moments where silence matters. Let's talk about the autofocus on this one. Sony autofocus reputation needs no introduction. It is really good. Even in my mirrorless, in our different cameras, they're excellent. Combined with the deeper focus of the lens and Sony's AI processing unit with human body detection, autofocus of the Z200 is rock solid. It just works. Touch to focus on the screen makes the subject selection effortless. Especially useful in live environments where framing changes constantly. But the real standout here is the AI auto-framing. This feature automatically crops into the image to keep your subject centered. Even as they move, it's incredibly useful for solo operators, on-stage speakers, lecterns, and presentations. What's impressive is how customizable it is. Framing distance, movement speed, responsiveness. It feels like a thoughtfully designed tool, not an afterthought. The Z200 offers an excellent range in recording options. This one records at 10-bit 422 4K in high quality post, or it records an H.265 or H.264 in efficiency mode. Recording is handled via dual slots. It supports CF Express Type A and SD cards, allowing for relay recording or simultaneous backup. It's right there. Audio is equally strong. 4 channels total, 2 XLR inputs, 3.5mm stereo jack, multi-purpose shoe, compatible with Sony wireless systems like the URX P41B. For events, interviews, and broadcast work, this setup is more than enough without external recorders. With its foldable viewfinder and screen, the PXW-Z200 becomes a compact, portable unit that's easy to deploy at any moment's notice. This one also uses the BP series batteries. It's the same battery as the FX6, and it's good for me because I have both cameras now. It's a huge plus for a shared power ecosystem. There are thoughtful accessibility features too, including spoken menu readouts in the user's native language. Something rarely talked about but incredibly important. My final thoughts: why this camera exists. The Sony PXW-Z200 isn't trying to be cinematic. It's trying to be reliable. It's for people who need to film or stream without setup stress, can't afford to miss out any moments, value consistency over aesthetics, work solo or in a small team. Journalists, schools, churches, event producers, corporate media teams. In a post-DSLR video world, it's refreshing to see Sony takes everything they've learned, from sensors to AI to autofocus, and package it in a modern, purpose-built camcorder that simply works. Camcorders aren't dead. They just evolve. And the Sony PXW-Z200 proves there's still a very much place for them. And that is my review of the Sony PXW-Z200. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.